Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to remove background of your picture. You know, if you are familiar with CorelDRAW or Photoshop, you just need to like spend some little time to be able to remove the background completely. But here, if your concern is just to remove the background of the picture, you don't need to worry. Stay logged in and watch this video till the end. You will know how to remove background of a picture within 30 seconds. So the first thing you do is just open your PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you open your PowerPoint, I've already opened mine, so I don't need to go through that again. So you create a blank presentation. So what you do now is now import the picture. Yeah, you just click import the picture, but I prefer to do the drag and drop. Yeah, that's my style. So now I will go to the picture I want to use. I have two pictures of Justin Bieber. So now we'll be removing the background of both. So I intentionally choose these two pictures so that if you are removing background for this one is quite easy to remove. This one you see it has people at the background. So we'll remove the background of the two pictures. So please stay logged in, subscribe to this channel, and put down your comments. Please share with your friends too. This is a easy trick. So I will start with this picture. So I'll drag it here. Yeah, I like the drag and drop style. I like it that much. So the first thing I used to do, I'll remove these things. Just highlight on them. Once you highlight on them, you can just click on delete. Not the picture actually. Delete. If you like, you can delete it before inserting the picture, but I just prefer to just So now we have the picture here. We want to remove the background. Understand? So what's the first thing we do? We've imported the picture, right? So you click on the picture, you go to picture format. So once you go to picture format, you see remove background here. You click on it. So this is where it will provide you with tools. But this is an AI features. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2019. So if you are using 2016, please try it out and let me know in the comment section if this feature is available. And if you are using any version you are using, please try it out. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, share with your friends. So let's begin. So I won't be wasting much of your time. We will do this thing and we'll do the other picture. That's to take quite a time, but please stay logged in and see how this goes. So this feature here, mark area to keep. That is, these are the places you don't want to remove from the picture. Let's assume I want to keep this image. So these are the areas I want to keep. Understand? Mark area to remove. So this one should focus mainly on the background of the picture. So that is the background you want to remove. And if you want to keep the changes or discard, like redo, undo, sort of a thing. So now, once I'm applying, you'll be seeing it here. It's automatically reflecting. You are seeing the background already. But if you should see from here, let's continue. You see, automatically it identified the picture. So now it detects the image in the picture. So you see, actually, if you are seeing it from here, you say, yeah, my background is ready, but it's not ready. There are things we need to take care of. So now, I'm just doing this for tutorial sake. If not, I don't think within 30 seconds I should be able to finish with this picture. This picture is for for beginners. If you want to remove background, it's very easy. But the other one might take us like more than 30 seconds. So please stay logged in. Let's finish this and do the other picture. So now, you see it highlight this picture. What I want to do now is, you see, there's still some spaces here. the hand downward, I know I don't want it to be removed. Understand? So if I will click that. Okay, I see there's a places here. You just what? You just carry your cursor. The same thing you do with CorelDRAW and the PowerPoint. You see, it will now return that particular section as part of the picture. So if you see here too, it removing the head. Let me show you first. You see, the head is no longer there. But let me go back to remove background. You see, so now I want to have the head available. So you also highlight. So you need to make sure you trace this thing perfectly. You see, the cap is now available. So sometimes you don't need to care about the edges, because it will smooth it out for you in most cases. So now let's keep the changes. You see, I have a perfect picture, but you see there's just a little of the background remain. So let me also mark area to remove. I'm removing now, not keeping. So you just trim this particular area, make sure it's very close, and keep changes. Yeah, there's still a little bit left. If you are a designer, you need to pay attention. There's a little. So I'll mark area to remove. I think it's around this area. Let's see if I get it right. Yeah, so I've removed the background of this picture. See how clean and efficient it is. Yeah, if you are doing a lot of background removing, just removing the background, I think I'll advise you to use PowerPoint. Removing 10 pictures within 5 minutes and you are good to go. If you want to do 1 or 2 more editing, you can just move on to any other application you want to use with Word. So now I've removed this one. I'll just click on the picture and click on save picture as. So it will pop up your file explorer, give you location. So let me say edit, let's say background remove. Just give it any name you like. 1. So you see the PNG, you can change the format if you like. So I'll just save it that way. So I've finished. Let me go to the pictures and show you what we've just done. You see? So now let's compare this. This is the original picture and this is the background. We've removed the background perfectly. Understand? So now let's go back. I've saved this picture, so you can delete it or remove it, but I'll keep it for the sake of this tutorial so that you should compare. So now I'll add a new slide. I don't want to delete that one. I want to keep it so that we should keep track of the pictures we've edited. So please subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and please put down your comment. Try any other version of Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm using 2019 and I believe it should work on 2016 also, but please let me know in the comment section. So like I said, I always prefer the drag and drop. So I'll be dragging this picture. This is the second picture, so now, like I said earlier on, I want to delete this. Okay, that's all. So now click on the picture. Until you click on the picture before you see the picture format tools. Once I unclick, you see you don't have the feature at the top here. So picture format, you click on the picture format, then you go to remove background. You see, that's why I said this one it will take you a little quite additional time. Sometimes it might detect all the images at the background. Now sometimes it will be close to perfect for you, but here now you see it detects additional somebody at the back. Sometimes it might detect even these people, but what you need to do is just keep mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove, and you're good to go. So if you see the preview of this thing here, you realize the picture doesn't have head, which is quite awful. There's no head. So which kind of background remover is that? But hey, it is AI. It can be perfect and can be close to perfection. So it's for you to just correct the mistakes. So now, the first thing, I want to keep this head. Yeah, I want to keep this head. So sometimes you can click on it and it will guess the areas for you, and sometimes you just need to it doesn't need to be perfect. It will dictate some part of the head also. So the head is not yet perfect, if you see. So there are some spaces here. Let me touch it. You see, it's closing to perfection. Yeah, I think we kind of have the head, and you see, let me highlight here. Okay, yeah, I have the down. So the hand now, you just highlight and close it up here. See, the hand is back. But so now, if we are sure that the picture is in good shape, that's when we now start tracking of, let me show you keep changes. This is what we have now, understand? So let me go back, remove background. So I will mark areas to remove now. So here, so you need to trace it accurately. Okay, then here too, the hand. I think it's part of the cloth, or no. So let me remove. Okay, yeah, it's not part of the cloth. So let me do away with this man here. Let me do it off. You see, so now there's some space here. You can just do a little bit of dragging, remain some white, a little. Okay, so here too I can try to smoothen the head. No, the head might be somehow dicey up. Okay, so now we go back. There's some space here. Yeah, so what's left now is this chain. We need to keep it. Oh, sorry, we need to keep this chain. I don't know if it has a color. This rope, I don't know. I think if it is the color, I don't know. Yeah. And here too, and the rope. Sometimes you just double click. So here, let me click. If you double click, sometimes the AI will detect the shape for you, but in case it doesn't, you just use the highlighting. So you need to, like, that's why I say this one is quite hard compared to the first picture. So we kind of spend some time working with this head. Oh, okay, I think we're almost there. So let's see what we've just done. We've done quite a perfect job, but we still have areas to keep around the head on the skull. Okay, please subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and please suggest topics, so if you're interested. Okay, okay, so let's keep changes. Yeah, it remain a little bit, yeah, just do keep areas to change, you just you can do Ctrl Z. Yeah, Ctrl Z to undo. So let me see, mark areas to remove. If you double clicking at the edge, it might dictate the thing sometimes. Okay, I'm just doing Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. The red line is to remove a particular area. The green, or yeah, the green, I think so, is to keep. So let's keep changes. Yeah, you see, it's almost perfect. Just the head section, and I don't want us spending. Okay, so that's just the downside of this. Sometimes the AI will give you a perfect, sometimes you have to, okay, you have to see it and figure it out. But overall, honestly, this is quite fast. You achieve a lot within few minutes compared to the, no, if you're fast also with CorelDRAW, you can do that within few minutes. But for the ones who are not familiar with it, I think this will be a better option to you. Yeah, so we've edited our second picture perfectly, just one or two dots. If you should move it to a CorelDRAW or Photoshop, if you want to do some customization, I think it won't have to waste much of your time on that. Please let me save these ones also. Right click on the picture, you see save as picture. Let me say background remove to, and you save. So this is the first one, this is the second one, you see. So let me show you, see that, so you don't need to waste time or pay someone removing background for you. You can easily do it with Microsoft PowerPoint. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share with your friends, and please put down your comment also. So these are the initial pictures, and these are the background, the picture after we remove the background. That's it. Thanks, and Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Bye.